Recovering abandoning visitors with remarketing in 2019 and 2020. One of the most painful challenges a complete internet marketer faces is losing visitors and leads. The good news is that remarketing is a crucial strategy to implement on any complete internet marketing plan. What is remarketing in 2019 and 2020? Remarketing is a complete internet marketing strategy intended to recover abandoning website visitors and leads. Remarketing works by tracking visitors leaving a website to other websites they visit, where they're served ads promoting the website that they abandoned. Today, we are going to show you how to easily implement remarketing into your complete internet marketing mix. In this lesson, we are going to use the Facebook remarketing platform. By choosing the Facebook remarketing platform, we will be able to reach abandoning website visitors right in their Facebook timelines. Let's get started. Generating a remarketing code. Like we said, remarketing works by tracking abandoning visitors from the original website they abandoned to the websites they visit during the same session. To track website visitors from one site to another, remarketing platforms install retargeting codes on the websites that they remarket. The Facebook tracking code is called a retargeting pixel, and you can create yours from the Ads Manager. Start by going to facebook.com/ads/manager while logged into your Facebook account. Click on the menu icon on the top left, and then click on the Pixels option under Measure and Report. Once on the Events Manager page, click on Add New Data Source, and then on the Facebook Pixel option to open the Create a Facebook Pixel window. Now, enter a name for your new retargeting pixel in the Pixel Name field, and then click on Create. Your Facebook retargeting pixel is ready, and now you have to install it on your website. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to install the Facebook pixel manually, so click on the Manually Install the Code Yourself option to continue to the next step. Installing the remarketing code on your website. Now find your Facebook pixel code in this new window and click on it to copy it to your clipboard. You have to paste this code between the >head greater than and >head greater than tags of your website code before you are able to create your first remarketing campaign. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to install it manually on a WordPress website. Go to your WordPress site's dashboard, move over the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu, and click on the Theme Editor option. Now go to the Theme Files menu on the right and locate Theme Header. Click on Theme Header to access the header section of your website code. Paste your remarketing code between the >head greater than and >head greater than tags, and then click on Update File. Now go back to Facebook. Enter the URL of your website in the Enter the URL for this website field and click on the Send Test Traffic button. Now confirm that test traffic is active. If test traffic is active, it means that you've successfully installed the code on your website, and you can now click on Continue. Next up, you have to add the events you'd like to track. To track and recover abandoning visitors, you have to activate the View Content event. Now copy the event code generated below and go back to the header section of your website's code. Paste the event code right below the >head greater than tag and click on the Update File button. Then go back to Facebook and click on Done. Setting up a remarketing campaign on Facebook. Now you can create your first remarketing campaign on Facebook. Go to the campaign creation page in the Ads Manager and select the conversions objective. Enter a name for your new remarketing campaign in the campaign name field below. Then click on Set Up Ad Account. Now select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Then click on Continue. Now you have to create the ad set for this campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now go to the Conversion section. Here select Website. Click on the Conversion Event box and select View Content. Next, you have to define your target audience. In this example, we are going to select the saved audience that we targeted with the previous campaign. To select the saved audience, click on the Use a Saved Audience tab and select the saved audience from the menu. Next, you have to define how much you are going to spend in the Budget and Schedule section. Select your budget type, enter the amount you are going to spend, and select the schedule. You can click on Continue after you enter all the information required here. Now it is time to create the ad for your new remarketing campaign. First, enter a name for your new ad in the Ad Name field. When you create ad campaigns on Facebook, you can use existing page posts as ads. In this example, we are going to select and promote an existing post from one of our Facebook pages. To use an existing page post as an ad, click on the Facebook page menu inside the Identity section. Select the page that you are going to use to represent your business in your ads, and then click on the Use Existing Post tab. Now go to the Creative section and click on Select Post. Now select the page post that you are going to promote and then click on Continue. As you can see, this page post has a shortened URL that links to a content page on your business website. You can now preview your promoted page post in the Ad Preview section. Click on the Confirm button to send your ad for review when you are ready. Your new remarketing ad will be approved to start running in the next 5 to 10 minutes. This is actually the easiest, most effective way to recover abandoned website visitors. Generating more sales leads on autopilot with a Facebook Messenger bot in 2019 and 2020. Using Facebook as one of your business's main communication channels is a top complete marketing strategy. But because customer care can be time-consuming, we've searched and found a way to automate it. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can easily automate lead capture and nurturing on Facebook with a Messenger chatbot. Finding the right Messenger bot solution for your business. To use Messenger chatbots, you first need to sign up to a good automation platform that offers chatbot integration. We have used and recommend MobileMonkey, an official Facebook marketing provider that lets you build your own chatbots for free. With MobileMonkey, you don't need to know how to code to build your own chatbots. You just have to go to https://mobilemonkey.com and to click on Get MobileMonkey Free. Then click on Get Started for free while logged into your Facebook account to connect to the service. Building a Messenger chatbot. After connecting MobileMonkey to your Facebook account, you will be asked to connect MobileMonkey to the Facebook page where you will install your new Messenger chatbot. Select the page where you'll install your new chatbot and click on Connect. Next, you can select the chatbot template. In this example, we'll skip selecting a template so we can show you how to edit your chatbot from scratch. Select Start from Scratch and then click on Let's Do This. Now you will get access to the chatbot editor. The first thing you have to do is to customize and activate your chatbot. Click on the Settings tab on the left-hand menu. Enter a name for your Messenger chatbot in the Chatbot Name field. This is a name that users that send you Messenger messages will see in the Messenger window. Now click the Lever button on the Chatbot Status column to activate your chatbot. You can click on the Language menu to select a different language for your chatbot. Now click on the Bot Builder tab to go to the Chatbot Builder section. In this section, you can create chatbot dialogues. Chatbot dialogues are triggered according to what users type when they send Messenger messages to your pages. There are two types of chatbot dialogues that you can create here. Dialogues are simple dialogues that you construct to engage users, such as welcome dialogues and dialogues designed to qualify leads. Q&A dialogues are triggered when users type messages or questions that contain specific keywords. You can construct Q&A dialogues by picking what type of dialogues are triggered by keywords that you choose. Start by creating a dialogue. Click on the Dialogues option. Here you will find two pre-built dialogues, a welcome dialogue to greet users when they send you a message, and a default dialogue to send users a default message when no other options are available. You can edit the messages in these dialogues to replace the default text with your own custom messages. In this example, we'll edit the welcome dialogue to add a custom greeting. Now we'll edit the default dialogue to add a custom dialogue to ask users to wait while we process their information. You can insert additional elements to your dialogues, including images, quick questions, and GIFs. by selecting them from the top bar. You can add additional dialogues by clicking on the Add Dialog button. Let's create an additional dialog that will be triggered after users leave us a comment or question. Click on Add Dialog. Now enter the name of this dialog in the dialog name field. Now click on Create Dialog. Now select with what type of widget you'll open this dialog. In this example, we'll select Text to enter our message. Now click into the Enter Your Text field to type your dialog. In this example, we'll enter a message to let users know that we'll be checking their info and that we'll be back with them shortly. You can add as many additional dialogues as you need to use. Let's now create a Q&A dialog. Start by clicking on the Q&A tab on the left-hand menu. Now click on the New Q&A button. Q&A dialogues are triggered when users include certain keywords in their messages. So you have to insert the keyword that you want to trigger a Q&A dialog into the If User Says text box. Let's create a quick example. Try inserting a product keyword. If a user includes that product keyword into one of his messages, the chatbot will trigger a dialog that includes a product recommendation and a sales page URL. Next, you have to program your chatbot response to this keyword in the Bot Replies With column. First, select how your chatbot will respond. You can select text if you want to make your chatbot reply with a custom message. Or you can instead select dialogue if you want your chatbot to reply with one of your dialogues from the dialogues library. In this example, we'll select text. Then we'll insert our product recommendation, followed by the sales page URL. You can add additional Q&A dialogues by clicking on the New Q&A button. As you can see, automating customer care on Facebook as part of your complete internet marketing plan is easy. How to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Giveaways, sweepstakes, and competitions are all great tools that you can integrate into your complete internet marketing plan to move qualified leads deeper into your conversion funnel. In this lesson, we are going to show you how you can funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway campaign in 2019 and 2020. Setting up a giveaway campaign the easy way. The best way to set up giveaway campaigns in 2019 and 2020 is by using contest platforms. In this lesson, we are going to use Gleam, a contest platform that allows you to run unlimited competitions for free. Go to your Gleam account after signing up and click on the New Competition button. Now enter the name of your new contest in the name field. Here you can add an actionable phrase and include the name of your prize. This will help you encourage users to participate and share the contest. Now select the start and end dates of your giveaway campaign using the calendar functions on this screen. Now click on the User Details tab and paste your Facebook page's URL in the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Now click on the How to Enter tab. On this page, you will be able to select how contestants will earn their entries. As you can see here, you can refer traffic to all your marketing channels as entry methods. For example, a user that reaches your contest through your website will have to visit your Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram profiles to earn additional entries. This strategy allows you to generate lots of referral traffic to all your channels. In this example, we'll add website visit, YouTube visit, Facebook visit, Instagram visit, and Twitter follow as entries to our campaign. Let's start by adding the website visit entry. First, click on the Visit a Page option from the Entry Method menu. Now move over the Visit a Page column to customize this entry. Start by adding a call to action, inviting leads to visit your website into the title field. Now enter the number of valid entries participants earn into the Worth Number of Entries box. Now check the Mandatory option. Now enter your website or landing page URL into the Link URL field. Now enter CTA text into the Button text field. Now let's add the YouTube entry. Click on the YouTube icon. Now click on Visit YouTube Channel. Enter your YouTube channel URL into the channel URL field and check the mandatory and require authentication options. Let's now add the Facebook entry. Click on the Facebook icon. Now click on the Visit on Facebook option. Now enter the URL of your Facebook page in the URL field, select the Like the Page option below, and check the mandatory option. Let's now add the Twitter entry. Click on the Twitter icon. Click on the Follow on Twitter option. Enter your Twitter handle in the username field and check the mandatory box. Let's now add the Instagram entry. Click on the Instagram icon. Click on the Visit Instagram Profile option. Enter your username or Instagram profile URL in the username or profile URL field and check the mandatory box. As you can see, there are several other marketing channels that you can add as entries, including LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Twitch. Other entry methods that will help you to increase referral traffic and generate leads include viral share and subscribe to a newsletter. Now click on the Prize tab. Enter the name of your prize in the title field. Select the number of winners you'll pick and enter a description of the prize. Now click on Save to finish creating this giveaway. And that's it! You can now share this contest by embedding it to a page on your website, by sharing the giveaway's landing page URL, and by adding a Facebook tab for this giveaway on your Facebook pages.